Good evening, you're watching State of Business on our television. This is Zenith Musafir and these are the headlines. Postal strike continues. New alliance needs to be formed to face challenges, says Vasudeva Nanayakkara. News in details. Speaking exclusively to our television, convener of the Joint Postal Trade Union Front, Chintaka Bandara, made the following remarks with regard to their demands which affected for a protest.
මෙම වැඩවර්ජනයේ මූලික ඉල්ලීම වන්නේ කැපල් දෙපාර්තමේන්තුවේ සේවකයන්ට බලපාන බඳවා ගැනීම පරිපාටිය සංශෝධනය කර සේවකයන්ට ගැළපෙන ආකාරයෙන් සහ ආයතනයේ අවශ්‍යතාවයට පරිදි මෙම බඳවා ගැනීම පරිපාටිය ක්‍රියාත්මක කරවා ගැනීම. ඒ වගේම දෙවෙනි ඉල්ලීම විදිහට තියෙනවා දැනට වැඩබලන උපතපැල් ස්ථානාධිපතිවරුන්ගේ සේවය ස්ථිර කර ගැනීම කියන කාරණෙත් මෙහිදී තියෙනවා. කෙසේ වෙතත් මෙම බඳවා ගැනීම පරිපාටිය තමයි අපේ මූලික ඉල්ලීම. මේ සම්බන්ධයෙන් දැනට අමාත්‍ය මණ්ඩල සංදේශයක් යොමු වෙලා තිබෙනවා. මේ අමාත්‍ය මණ්ඩල සංදේශය සඳහා මේ දක්වා අනුමැතිය ලැබී නැහැ. අපි බලාපොරොත්තු වෙන්නේ මේ අමාත්‍ය මණ්ඩල සංදේශය හරහා මේ අනුමැතිය ලබාගෙන මේ බඳවා ගැනීම පරිපාටිය ක්‍රියාත්මක කරවා ගැනීම.
During a press briefing held in Colombo today, former parliamentarian Vasudeva Nanayakkara made the following remarks with regard to forming a new political party.
දැන් අපට ඕන කෙලින්ම සන්දානයක්. ඒ සන්දානය අපි සියලු දෙනා ඇතුළත් සන්දානයක් අපි නමකුත් හිතලා දුන්නේ ඒකාබද්ධ පොදු ජන පෙරමුණ කියලා. ඉතින් ඒක දැන් ලියාපදිංචි කරන්න ඕන මේ මැතිවරණ කොමසාරිස්කා. අපිට වැඩ පිළිවෙලක් ඕන. මොනවද අපි කරන්න යන්නේ? ආණ්ඩු බලයක් අරගෙන. ඒවා කරන ක්‍රමවේදයන් මොනවද? ඒවට තියෙන බාධක මොනවද? අභියෝගයන් මොනවද? ඒවා ජයගන්නේ කොහොමද? මේවා ඇතුළත් වෙන සම්පින්ඩනයක් සහිත වැඩ පිළිවෙලක් අපට උවමනයි මේ රටේ ඉදිරියේ තබන්න.
We're going in for a short break. Do stay tuned for more news after these commercials. Welcome back. Let's take a look at the weekly economic indicators released by the Central Bank of Sri Lanka last Friday. According to the CBSL, during the period, crude oil prices showed mixed performance. At the beginning of the week, prices fell due to higher US oil production and expectations of increase in supplies from OPEC over the potential supply shortfalls from Iran and Venezuela. However, towards the end of the week, prices rose, supported by supply disruptions in Venezuela, where the state-owned oil firm is struggling to clear a backlog of around 24 million barrels of crude oil to be shipped to customers. Overall, Brent and WTI prices rose by 60 cents per barrel and 20 cents per barrel, respectively, within the period. The weekly average weighted prime lending rate for the week ending 8 June 2018 declined by 20 basis points to 11.22% compared to the previous week. The reserve money increased compared to the previous week, mainly due to increase in deposits held by commercial banks. The total outstanding market liquidity decreased to a deficit of 11.90 billion rupees by end of the week, compared to a deficit of 17.98 billion rupees by the end of last week. Moreover, during the year up to 8 June 2018, the Sri Lanka rupee depreciated against the US dollar by 3.8%. Given the cross-currency exchange rate movements, the Sri Lanka rupee depreciated against the pound sterling by 3.6%, Euro by 2.6% and Japanese yen by 6.3%, while appreciated against the Indian rupee by 0.6% during this period. Now let's take a look at few more stories in brief. Porsche Centre in Sri Lanka celebrated Porsche's 70th birthday in Colombo recently under the patronage of German Ambassador to Sri Lanka, John Rode. The renowned sports car brand marked its birthday with a lineup of entertainment for its customers and Porsche enthusiasts. For 70 years, the Porsche brand has been synonymous with sports car construction at the very highest level and has won the collective hearts of sports car enthusiasts the world over. Dr. Nuwandika Sirivardhana has been selected as Miss Sri Lanka for Miss British Empire World 2018 International Beauty Pageant, which is scheduled to take place in Australia in mid-September 2018. Dr. Sirivardhana is a Grade A medical officer attached to the Divisional Hospital at Navagamua and is in her 4th year of practice. The ultimate winner of the Miss British Empire World 2018 will receive the chance to be contracted for modelling assignments in the USA. We're going in for a short break. Do stay tuned to see how the stocks perform today after these commercials. Welcome back. Trading at Colombo Stock Exchange ended on a mixed note today. The All Share Price Index dropped 2.31 points to close at 6,352.61, and the S&P SR20 gained 5.06 points to close at 3,544.99. The turnover was 393.9 million rupees and 14.9 million shares were traded. Next is Forex rates. That's all the news we have for you today. Join us tomorrow with State of Business on our television at the same time. Until then, take care and good night.